children, welcome back to our science class. What we discussed in the previous class? Yes, we discussed in the previous class about how we are getting the water and what is the usage of water at our home, not at our home, in the other places also, how we are using the water and how we have to. Today we are going to discuss that how we have to save the water. Okay, and see the keywords for today, children: scarce, groundwater, borewell, rainwater, harvesting, community, store, collect. Once again, see the keywords, children: scarce, groundwater, borewell, rainwater, harvesting, community, store, collect. Yes, children, these are the keywords for today. And today we are going to tell about that. What can I do to save water? Yes, today's our topic is what can I do to save water? Today's our topic is what can I do to save water? That means we have to save our water, right? Yes, children. You can imagine we are living in the city, right? We are living in the Khammam city, and we don't have any rivers and lakes. Yes, where will our water comes? Where will our water come from? Yes, we don't have any surface water sources, means like rivers and lakes, means we have to depend on the groundwater, right? We have to depend on the groundwater for our regular needs, right? Yes, groundwater is available everywhere. Yes, groundwater is available everywhere. When water sources like rivers and ponds are not present, then we take the water, groundwater, by pulling it, we are digging the wells. Yeah, we can pull that groundwater by digging wells, and like using bore wells, and like hand pumps. So many are there. By these things we can get the groundwater. Okay, by these things we can get the groundwater. And groundwater is a water that mainly depend on the rains, right? Already we discussed in the previous class also. Groundwater is mainly depends on the rain, and what will happen to the groundwater? The groundwater that collects from the rain only. Okay, groundwater mainly depends on the rain. Yes. Now, what happened to the how we can pull the groundwater? Yes, we always know that we always get the same amount of rain, but it is not able to refill the groundwater because more water is being taken out, right? Because in the cities so many people are living nowadays, so many people are using groundwater sources. Means that leads to the scarcity of water. Okay, this leads to the scarcity of water. What do you mean by scarcity? Scarcity means when we do not have enough of something, not only water, not for food or any item. Scarce means when we do not have enough of something, that means to scarcity. Nowadays so many people are suffering with scarcity of water. Water is becoming scarce because we are using more and more water in the cities nowadays, right? Yes. Why do we need to save water? Now you can tell me, why do we need to save water? What can we do in our regular activities to not to waste the water? Yes, we only have a limited amount of water on the earth. Yes, we have only limited groundwater sources and surface water sources on the earth. So we have to use the water wisely. We should not waste the water. How we can save the water at our home? We can save the water in so many ways. When you are brushing your teeth, you can off the tap. Okay, when you are brushing the teeth, you can off the tap. And when you are taking a bath, you can use a mug and bucket. Instead of using a shower, you can take a bath with a mug and bucket. Like that we can save the water, and we can water the garden in the morning and in the evening also. How can we reuse the water? Helps to save water. Yes, we have to reuse the water at our home. Yes, We can reuse the water in many ways in our regular life at home. We can wash the vegetables in a bowl. Okay, for example, you have to wash the vegetables in a bowl, and we can use the remaining water in the garden or for washing the floors, for washing clothes. So many ways, right? We can use the reuse the water also. We can save the water. Okay, children. Yes, children. Till now we discussed that how we have to reuse the water. Yes, by that we can say that we have to use the water. By using the water also, used water also, we have to reuse that to save the water. Yes, and one more important thing we are going to learn now, that is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting. Already we know that rainwater is a source of groundwater, right? Rainwater is the main source of groundwater. Yes, children. Now you can tell me, what is the meaning of harvesting? What is the meaning of harvesting? Harvesting means to gather. Harvesting means that to gather or to collect. Okay. Harvesting means gather or collect. Already you know that rainwater. Rainwater is a water only. So rainwater harvesting means collect rainwater. Rainwater collecting. Rainwater collecting means rainwater harvesting. Okay? Yes. What is rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting, usually we can see the rainwater harvesting in the villages, but now we can see in the villages only. But in the olden days, 3,000 years ago, so many people were used this rainwater harvesting. What they will do, they dig some holes near the temples and near the outside cities, outside also they dig the big holes. What happens if the rainwater, if it rains more, means they will collect the rainwater in the digs, and the animals will come for drink the water. Already we know that usually rainwater get wasted in the cities. The rainwater will get wasted. Actually, the rainwater is very fresh water. The rainwater is very fresh and can be used. Okay. But the rainwater on the terrace, on the outdoor also, we can collect in a tanks or wells. Okay, we can collect the rainwater by using a big tanks or the outdeck. Like that we can collect the rainwater. In the olden days also, so many people were used this to rainwater harvesting. Okay, then now you can tell me, how can rainwater harvesting helps in reduce the water scarcity? Yes, if you collect the rainwater, the rainwater surface is very means when you are collecting the rainwater, the tanks were clear, means you can use the water for your regular needs, for like drinking, for washing, like that. Okay, so already we know that rainwater is very fresh and safe for drinking. If the rainwater sources or rainwater tanks are clean like that, you can drink that water, and even you can use that for so many purposes in our regular life also. Yes, when we are going to collect the rainwater, we do not need the groundwater sources. When we will not depend on the groundwater sources. Not only on the groundwater sources, we will not depend on the surface water sources also. And when many people uses rainwater, then the need for the groundwater or river water becomes less, and this helps to other people to get the water. So that means this rainwater harvesting help us to reduce the water consumption. Okay, reduce the water consumption. By this rainwater harvesting, we can reduce the water scarcity also. Okay, children.
Children, now you can open your content book. Save water. Water is scarce. Many people in our country do not get clean drinking water. We can help to save water so that more people get it. Ways to save water. We should fix leaking taps, toilets and showers. We should turn off the tap while brushing the teeth or putting soap on hands. We should use sprinklers to water plants. We can reuse the water from kitchen to water the plants. Can farmers use less water? Yes, they can. if they use better ways to water their fields. Here you can see that we all need to save the water, right? See the rainwater harvesting, children. Rains bring us fresh water which can be used, but it goes waste. To save rainwater, we can collect it in storage tanks from roofs and roads. We can use this water for washing cars, toilets, and watering plants. If the storage tank is clean, we can even use this water for drinking also. Yes, children, if the storage tank clean means we can use that rainwater for drinking and cooking purposes also. When we collected the rainwater, we do not need to use the groundwater or other sources of water also. The rainwater harvest method is collecting of rainwater and using it is called rainwater harvesting. See here, children, some ancient ways of rainwater harvesting. Already we discussed, right? More than 3000 years ago, the rulers built ponds near the temples and they dug huge wells to store water. Animals gathered too for drinking that water. In the ancient times only, this rainwater harvesting was started. Okay, children. Now see that. Did you know? If we save rainwater during the rainy season, we will have enough water to use in summers. Now see the glossary, children. Glaciers, large body of ice formed in cold places of the world. Groundwater, water found under the earth. Leaking, water coming out even when the tap is closed. Rainwater harvesting, way to collect rainwater for use. Scarce, less. Yes, children, now you can open your volume S3. What can I do to save water? See the first question. Spot and write what is wrong in each picture. Spot and write what is wrong in each picture. See in the first picture, the boy is brushing his teeth. See in the second picture, the water is leaking from the pipes. The third picture, one person is planting the field, I think, right? Now see the second question, children. Draw or write what you can do to save water. You have to write an own drawing how you can save the water. See the third question. Explain how the following actions can help to save water. A. My mother washes the vegetables with water, then she puts this water in the plants. See the question once again. My mother washes the vegetables with water, then she puts this water in the plants. See the next question. Anjali water her garden only when needed. See the question once again. Anjali water her garden only when needed. Children, now you can see here S for rainwater harvesting. Look at the picture of rainwater harvesting. Write down the steps of rainwater harvesting. Now you can see the second question. Explain how rainwater harvesting can reduce scarcity of water. See the question once again. Explain how rainwater harvesting can reduce scarcity of water. See the third question, children. Look at the pictures. Both pictures show rainwater harvesting. First you can observe the pictures. These both are showing here that rainwater harvesting only. See the questions. A. Which storage tank will help more people? Which storage tank will help more people? See the next question. B. Why will it help more people? See the question once again. Why will it help more people? Okay, children, you can read the content book and complete the volume S3 and S4. Thank you, children.